Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with another video, and in this video we are going to discover a really important resource that you can use to find out fully funded scholarship positions and job positions around the globe. So if you have a dream to travel abroad for your higher studies or for professional reasons, make sure you watch this video till the end, and we are going to discuss a golden opportunity for all of you by which you can find a fully funded scholarship position or a job position abroad. So stay tuned till the end. Before that, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can receive regular updates regarding foreign scholarships, internships, exchange programs, and many other opportunities that we regularly post on our YouTube channel. So let's begin with today's video. First of all, just open the Google and type it here, ScholarshipBBnet. So once you write this on Google, you will be redirected to this website, which is a website to find job positions and academic positions around the globe. So you have different options to find out opportunities that are relevant to you. As you can see above, we can find a PhD position, we can find a postdoc position, we can find a master's opportunity, undergraduate opportunity. We can also perform search by universities. We can also read blogs and browse other features as well. So after entering the website, you can see there are different searches that has been performed recently. Top locations are here. So in whatever level of academics you are interested, you will just pursue there. So I'm interested in PhD. I just clicked here. So here it says there are 32,459 PhD positions available, but for sure all of these positions are not new. Some of the positions or most of the positions have been expired and are old ones. So you can also check out the time span of the listing of a particular job position. So you can simply click a timeline by which you want to restrict your search. Like if I have chosen PhD here, I can choose last 7 days so that I can only see the recent positions that have been posted here. So after selecting PhD and 7 days, I will write my subject in which I am interested to pursue my PhD. So I will write simply biotechnology here. So once I have written biotechnology, it says there are 2,593 biotechnology positions, but we have lost the PhD, so we will click here on PhD. So we have PhD and biotechnology as our keywords here. So it will be showing only the positions which are PhD positions and relevant to biotechnology. So there are 299 biotechnology positions. So now if we choose 7 days, we have 3 parameters here: PhD in biotechnology that have been recently listed here over the period of last 7 days. So I can see different opportunities here: PhD studentship in Newcastle University, UK. So here we have another position from Norwegian University, UK. Here we have one from Poland listed 3 days ago. So you can check out the time when the job position or academic position have been listed. So this position has been listed just 2 hours ago. So you can check out the recent ones according to your requirement. Either you can choose 7 days or 1 month. Like you should choose the recent time to get the latest opportunities, right? So we will check out one of these positions. This one is from Austria, Graz University of Technology. So we will open this position. The process of applying in these positions is very easy. I will discuss in detail how to apply in each of the positions. So here are all the details about the institute, what they require, what is the limit, the university assistant or PhD position in the fields of molecular biology is offered here. Duties and responsibilities are mentioned, required skills and qualifications are mentioned. So you can check out all the details before proceeding further. Once you have checked out all the details, you will click here on view or apply. So once you click on view or apply, you will be redirected to either the official website of this position or another official platform like Euraxis that has all the details about this particular job position. So you can read out all the details here. Offer description is written here. What is the position title? It is mentioned here. Duties and responsibilities are mentioned. So what they are offering is mentioned. Also the deadline is mentioned. Application deadline is 9/3, means 9th of March 2022. So you have an ample amount of time to apply for this position. We look forward to your complete application that includes letter of motivation, curriculum vitae, references and further documents. So you need to send all the required documents for each position. The requirements will be mentioned in each of the positions. If you do not find any contact information or how to apply, you will simply click here where to apply and you will get the relevant email ID where you need to post all the required documents, and you can also see the deadline here. So following the deadline, you will submit your documents on the given email, and once you email, they will reply you back with the confirmation of getting your documents, and after that you will be shortlisted for interviews. So as the people around the globe apply for these positions, so first step is to get shortlisted, and once you are shortlisted you will be interviewed, and once you pass the interview you are finally selected for a particular position. All these positions include academic positions as well as job positions. So if we go towards finding the job positions, we can also find that. So if we cancel PhD from here, so you can see in the categories we have university job, research job and scholarship. So all of the three facilities are also available. You can check out according to your interest. If you are interested in university jobs, you can also apply here. If you are interested in research based jobs, you can apply here, or if you are interested in scholarship positions, then you can apply here. So you can also perform search according to the universities. If we click on this tab, you can find out all the major universities of the world, and you can check out each of the universities to see if there is any academic position or job position available in a particular university. You can also move according to the country. So you will click on browse tab and you can see positions by country. So if you are interested in particularly in one or two countries, then you can perform your research according to the countries. Also you can find the positions according to the field. So all the fields are given here: arts and literature, computer science, education, humanities, mathematics, biology, design, electrical engineering, law, etc. So you can check out the subject of your interest. So there are different ways to perform search here on this website, but the basic purpose of this video was to aware you about this resource. Very few students know about this website, and you can find out multiple positions that are updated daily or after every hour. So you can find out, wait and find out the opportunity that is relevant to you. Once you find out an opportunity, just send your email while attaching the documents which are required for a particular position, and you have the chance to get selected. So we also have Masters tab here. So you can see there are several job positions as well, or study positions as well in the Masters tab. So we have 774 positions. If we click on last 30 days, we have 176 positions. So you can perform your search accordingly. So it is a great resource to find academic positions and job positions in Europe and around the world. So if you are interested in the opportunities abroad, do check out this resource. I will mention the link of this website in the video description. You can access it from there. If you like this video, do subscribe our channel and turn on the notifications. Yeah, one thing important, that you to apply for all these positions you need a European format CV and a European format cover letter. If you don't know how to prepare it, just comment down the video and I will make a video on this topic separately in the coming days, so you can prepare your documents according to the European format. So with that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.